Namaste Vidya. I am JVN Dr. Suman Shekhawat, Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Faculty of Ayurvedic Sciences, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss on Alzheimer disease. First of all, we should talk about the introduction of the Alzheimer disease.
Graphic image of skull and Alzheimer disease. First of all, I will try to make you understand that introduction, that what is Alzheimer disease. Alzheimer disease, also known as senile dementia of the Alzheimer type, or simply Alzheimer's, is the most common form of dementia. This incurable degenerative terminal disease was first described by German psychiatrist and neuropathologist Alois Alzheimer in 1906 and was named after him. Alzheimer disease is a slowly progressive disease of the brain that is characterized by impairment of memory and eventually by disturbance in reasoning, planning, language, and perception. Many scientists believe that Alzheimer disease results from Diagnosis of Alzheimer disease. Diagnosis of Alzheimer disease is usually diagnosed clinically from the patient history, collateral history from the relatives, and clinical observation based on the presence of characteristics neurological and neuropsychological features and the absence of alternative conditions. Advanced medical imaging with computed tomography (CT) and magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) and with single photon emission computed tomography and positron emission tomography can be used to help exclude other cerebral pathology or subtype of dementia. The diagnosis can be confirmed with very high accuracy post-mortem when brain material is available and can be examined histologically. Causes of Alzheimer's disease. Scientists don't yet fully understand what causes AD, but it is clear that it develops because of a complex series of events that take place in the brain over a long period of time. It is likely that the causes include genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. Some drug therapies purpose that AD is caused by reduced synthesis of neurotransmitter acetylcholine. Other cholinergic effects have also been purposed, for example, initiation of large-scale aggravation of amyloid getting to generalized neuroinflammation. Alzheimer's disease is characterized by a buildup of protein in the brain. Though this can't be measured in a living person, extensive autopsy studies have revealed this phenomena. The buildup manifests in two ways: plaques and tangles. Plaques, deposits of the protein beta amyloid that accumulate in the space between nerve cells, and tangles, deposit of the brain tau that accumulate inside the nerve cell. Neuropathology. Alzheimer's disease is characterized by loss of neurons and synapses in the cerebral cortex and certain subcortical regions. This loss results in gross atrophy of the affected region, including degeneration in the temporal lobe and parietal lobe, and part of the frontal cortex and cingulate gyrus. Both amyloid plaques and neurofibrillary tangles are clearly visible by microscopy in the brain of those afflicted by Alzheimer's disease. Plaques are dense, mostly insoluble deposits of amyloid, beta peptides, and cellular material outside and around neurons. Tangles. Neurofibrillary tangles are aggregates of the microtubules associated protein tau, which has becomes hyperphosphorylated and accumulate inside the cell themselves. Although may older individual develop some plaques and tangles as a consequence of aging, the brain of AD patient have a greater number of them in specific brain regions such as the temporal lobe. Medicines are Ariceps like donepezil used to delay or slow the symptoms of AD loses its effect over time used for mild, moderate and severe AD. Doesn't prevent or cure AD. Celexa or citalopram, used to reduce depression and anxiety, may time 4 to 6 weeks to work. Sometimes used to help people get to sleep. Sodium valproate, used to treat depression and anxiety. Rivastigmine, used to delay or slow the symptoms of AD, used for mild to moderate AD, can get in pill form or as a skin patch. Doesn't prevent or cure AD. Some other drug like memantine, used to delay or slow the symptoms of AD, used for moderate to severe AD, sometimes given with Ariceps, doesn't not prevent or cure AD. Next is galantamine loses its effect over time, used for mild to moderate AD, can get in pill form or as a skin patch, doesn't prevent or cure AD. Sertraline may take 4 to 6 weeks to work, sometimes used to help people get to sleep. Some other drugs are oxcarbazepine, also used to treat depression and anxiety. Carbamazepine, also used to treat depression and anxiety. Mirtazapine may take 4 to 6 weeks to work, sometimes used to help people get to sleep. Treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Although there is currently no way to cure Alzheimer's disease or stop its progression, researchers are making encouraging advance in Alzheimer's treatment, including medication and non-drug approaches to improve symptom management. Mild and moderate AD, cholinesterase inhibitor increase the level of acetylcholine in the brain, which plays a key role in memory and learning. This kind of drug postpones the worsening of symptoms for 6 to 12 months in about half of the people who take it. Cholinesterase inhibitor most commonly prescribed for mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease include Aricept, donazepam and rivastigmine and galantamine. Moderate and severe AD. Mementamine regulates glutamate in the brain, which plays a key role in processing information. This drug is used to treat moderate to severe Alzheimer's disease and delay the worsening of symptoms in some people. It may allow patients to maintain certain daily function a little longer than they would without the medication. Rizatriptan delays the worsening of Alzheimer's symptoms for 6 to 12 months in about half of the people who take it. Rizatriptan is available in tablet and capsule form and is commonly started at 4 mg twice a day. It is well tolerated after 4 weeks. The doses may be increased to 8 mg twice a day. Rizatriptan also comes in an extended release once a day tablet. Rizatriptan is available in generic form, galantamine, HBr. Exelone is a cholinesterase inhibitor that prevents the breakdown of acetylcholine and butyrylcholine in the brain by blocking the activity of two different enzymes, acetylcholine and butyrylcholine. play a key role in memory and learning. When given orally, bioavailability is about 40%. In the 3 mg dose, the compound can cross the blood-brain barrier. Aricept is available in tablet form or an orally disintegrated tablet form and is commonly started at 5 mg a day. Can cross the blood-brain barrier. Studies involving Namenda have shown that the drug can slow the rate of decline in thinking and the ability to perform daily activity in individuals who have moderate to severe Alzheimer's disease. A dysfunction of glutamatergic neurotransmission is thought to be involved in the etiology of AD. Namenda is available in generic form, memantine HCl. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you feel any kind of problem with this session, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you.